A hiccup, a mere spasm of the diaphragm, usually a fleeting annoyance. But imagine a hiccup lasting not for minutes, not for hours, but for years. Impossible, you say? Meet Charles Osborne, the man who turned the impossible into reality. In the year 1922, Charles, a simple Iowa farmer, began hiccuping. Little did he know this would continue for 68 long years. Yes, you heard it right, 68 years. From eating to sleeping, imagine hiccuping through life's every moment. Charles did just that, hiccuping an estimated 430 million times. Guinness World Records recognizes Charles as the longest hiccuping human ever. An unfortunate crown, yet a testament to human resilience. So, next time you hiccup, spare a thought for Charles Osborne, and hope your hiccup doesn't last a lifetime.